Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You start by confirming your Amazon account is active and verified, because the balance applies to that account only. Next, go to Gift Cards Redeem Gift Card and type the code exactly. Once applied, your Amazon gift card balance updates immediately. Make sure to check the displayed dollar amount and note it. Once done, that balance lives in your account and will be available for Amazon Pay, so you can use it when choosing a payment method. You proceed to checkout with your items and pick delivery details because payment options appear afterward. On the payment screen, choose Amazon Pay or the Amazon Pay balance option. The system applies your gift card balance automatically against the order total. If the balance covers the full amount, you're set. If not, make sure to select an additional card or net banking to cover the remainder. Also double-check the final charge summary to confirm how the dollar amount split before placing the order. You finalize by reviewing the order summary to confirm the gift card dollar was applied, then hit place your order. Once placed, the confirmation email shows the payment breakdown and you can track refunds. Any refunded amount from that purchase typically returns to your gift card balance. If the balance didn't apply, first clear browser cache and re-log in, then retry checkout. If it still fails, contact Amazon support with your order ID and
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.